Welcome to the Deep Dive. We're here to pull out those key insights, to get you quickly up to speed. Today, it's all about public speaking. Something we all kind of do, right?
Yeah, in some form or another.
Our mission, to really unpack those common phrases that can accidentally hurt your clarity, your impact.
The ones that sneak in.
Exactly. We've got a list of these little language traps, and we'll focus on the big ones, the ones anyone wanting more confidence, more connection, should probably watch out for.
Makes sense.
Think about it. Ever heard a speaker use a phrase and you just kind of paused? Or maybe, use one yourself.
I've all been there.
Let's dive in and find ways to sound more powerful. Oh, and hey, if you like these kinds of deep dives for improving your communication, make sure you come back for more. And consider subscribing to the Book Talkers English Learning Zone YouTube channel.
Definitely worth doing. So it's interesting how normal chat habits can, sabotage us when we're speaking more formally. Like those phrases that just kill your credibility. Starting off with, I'm not really good at public speaking.
Oh, yeah, that one.
It's basically telling people, lower your expectations.
Yeah.
Sets that low bar immediately.
It really does. It's like you're apologizing before you even start. Such a self-sabotage move.
Totally.
The best thing, just jump right in, start your message with confidence.
Even if you have to fake it a bit at first.
Yeah. Projecting that assurance, it actually helps build your own confidence as you go. Same thing with, I'm no expert, but.
The classic hedge.
Why undercut yourself like that? Your expertise shows in how you deliver it and the value you bring. Just state your point. Let the message do the work.
Right. Because those hesitant openings, they just signal, a lack of belief in what you're saying, even if the info itself is solid gold.
Exactly.
Okay, so what about phrases that scream uncertainty? Or maybe lack of prep? Might sound stupid, but...
Oof. Yeah, that one basically primes the audience to think, okay, here comes a stupid idea.
Right. It just undermines your own point before it's even out there.
So much better to just offer it directly. Like, here's perhaps a different perspective. Or another way to think about this is present it with some assurance.
Yes. And what about repeatedly asking, does that make sense?
Oh, that can get annoying fast. And it sounds like you're not sure if you're being clear.
It suggests insecurity, doesn't it? Better ways might be pausing and asking any questions so far.
Or maybe, let me know if anything needs clarification. Puts the ball in their court.
Exactly. It invites interaction without constantly seeking validation.
Yeah.
And then the big one. Sorry, I didn't have much time to prepare.
Never say that. It just sounds disrespectful of the audience's time, like you didn't care enough.
It really does.
Yeah.
Even if it's true. Focus on delivering the best you can right now. Never highlight the prep gaps. That's just basic professionalism.
Absolutely. Keep that professional image intact.
And, if these tips are hitting home, remember we dive into communication strategies like this regularly. So keep tuning in and maybe hit subscribe on that Book Talkers English Learning Zone YouTube channel.
Good reminder. Okay, finally, let's touch on phrases that just weaken the message itself.
Yeah.
Especially near the end.
Like starting with, I'll try to keep this short.
Yeah. It sounds like you think it might be long and boring. Sets a weirdly negative tone.
It does. And finishing up with something like, so yeah, that's all I've got.
Oh, that feels so flat. Kind of throws away everything you just said. Diminishes the value.
It really does. A stronger close makes such a difference. Something like, thanks for your time. I really hope this gave you something valuable to think about.
Much better. Leaves a positive, lasting impression.
It frames the whole talk differently, doesn't it? And that other one, hopefully this isn't boring. Oh, dear.
Yeah, that's almost asking them to find it boring.
Just trust your material. If you find it interesting, deliver it with that conviction. Your closing should lock in the value, leave them feeling like they gained something.
So wrapping it all up, the main thing is just being aware, right? Being conscious of our language.
Absolutely.
Getting rid of these undermining phrases lets us sound more confident, helps the message land better, and, builds that connection.
Which leads to maybe a question for you, the listener, to ponder. What other little language habits, maybe more subtle ones, might be shaping how people receive your message?
Good question. Something to think about beyond just these specific phrases.
Definitely.
So we really encourage you, try swapping out just one or two of these next time you speak. See how it feels. See the difference.
It could be quite powerful.
We'll definitely be back with more deep dives on communication, learning, all that good stuff. So please do come back for more. And one last time, don't forget to subscribe to the Book Talkers English Learning Zone YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in.
Like and subscribe.